Hello, everyone, and welcome to Louise Events Designs. Some of you have heard my voice before, but more on that later. As you can see on the screen currently, Louise Events Designs' first video was posted 3 years ago. But due to their busy schedule and life, the YouTube content stopped. I am now taking over for Louise Events Designs to do their voiceover and also handle their social media activities so that they can focus on doing events outside of YouTube and I can edit and post the content for them. Speaking of events, Louise Events Designs did this beautiful event yesterday. I'm talking about the gold, the white, the chandelier, the way how the hall is set up, the flowers, the table skirts, the backdrop. Just everything is so elegant. It's amazing. It's beautiful. The centerpieces, just everything in that hall looks amazing. More videos to come. I know that we started with doing DIY, but due to time restraints, we did not get it before, but the after is just amazing. This was for a repast, so may her soul rest in peace. These are the colors that were requested from the family, and Louise Events Designs were able to give the family exactly what they were asking for and looking for. I just love how elegant and well put together everything is. I will be quiet now and allow my background music to play as you see the rest of the hall. So once again, congratulations to Louise Events Designs on another amazing event. And please do not forget to keep us in mind and book us for your future events, whether it's a graduation, birthday balloons and backdrops, sweet 16 with more balloons, bridal bouquets, anniversaries, weddings, centerpieces, or just centerpieces for any event that you are having. Repast, anything. You need to rent chairs, chair covers, and so much more. Please visit louiseeventsdesigns.com. The link is in the description below. Go to the Contact Us page and send us a message and we will reach out to you. The reason why under the images and different setup you will see 0 instead of a price is because at the consultation, depending on what you're looking for, the number of people at your event, how big your hall is, all of those things factor into the prices. So that's the reason why we do not list prices on the website. We will have products in the future on sale, But for now, just click on the package that you're looking for on the website, send us a message, and we will reach out to you. On the screen now are more backdrops, centerpieces, and just beautiful and amazing decor. We also do African weddings, and the list goes on and on. So please click the very first link in the description below to visit louiseeventsdesigns.com and book us today. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. I'm wishing all of you well and take care.